I'm looking forward to getting into this.
Okay. So here we are tasting stuffed, delicious curry sauce, and with this, we've made, or we've seen being made, all of these curries, and now we're going to taste them. So, taste. And this is made for 3 days, so it's incredible sauce from Punjab in northern India, and
oh my gosh,
this is real. So you'll be able to use this to make a better than Indian restaurant meal at home and get your friends around, and they'd all be very impressed.
Oh,
That baked bean one is awesome.
the bean ones, it's really seriously good. And the flavour changes completely. You're right, the flavour changes completely with each different.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
So with this we can add a bit more chilli if you want something a bit hotter, or a few extra herbs like the garden maybe, but everything's there. Everything's amazing. And you can buy this on BigBarn and get some for your friends.
It's seriously good.